Because it's buried.
Feeling the bait, David?
No, I submerged the buoy so no one could see it.
I think we might have a bait bag.
Your end that got taken out on? I thought it was over here.
Well, actually,
Yeah, past the pole and...
or what? Yeah, actually,
Oh, whoa.
keep your net high. Keep your net high.
All right, that's where they're at.
His camera's built.
Told me 8:30 at the boat launch. Fine.
Underneath them, keeps them from the net up. We want to keep them inside of these two poles.
Let's just kind of get, so that they'll do is grab that, and did you have a rod or a cart?
And I need direction. I have no.
He's like 4 carp. Just a second here, a little bit, guys. Okay. We'll let Cameron bring it up.
Okay.
Here?
Yep.
Jamie, grab mine right here.
Hold on. I got a cart.
Right there.
Are we looking for
This word by here.
Okay,
We got the water?
yeah, we do. If you grab by that gill, you got, but we can't sink the boat, okay?
It's doing better than I thought.
Yeah, I thought so too.
Yep, let go. Yeah, we got the net
That's
right
less than I
here.
would have done.
Yeah. Yeah, much less. All right, go dump these. We need you quickly. Mr. Cool Guy.
Eating, they'll let you bury it in sand. That's what you got to thick now. Can you work game and we'll get this one?
Yeah, that's not a whole lot of things,
Back up a little bit there, guys.
Pretty damn big.
Okay.
Right, camera? Which one is it? Yeah, that's pretty big.
Yep, oh, I gotta say, hold on to that, 'cause I was,
I'm gonna do a same thing too.
right here, that way.
What's that? Hold one out the ground. I did one. I would say what, a few more maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty similar. Yeah.
That's
30,
my
30.
line. No,
I got the.
I'll dream about this. 11 pounds.
Yeah, that's kind of what we years past.
We have a cool nut that's right there. If you walk down the path, you can see it.
Oh.
That's interesting.
Dad, I see it. It's an orange stick.
I've thrown a few.
No, how about I just take a picture of all of them?
And then they just kind of sit and wait for us to come out and get them out of there.
Jimmy's practicing for the next time we fit tag and when you got here.
Yeah, like next month. He's gonna come back with that.
We're not doing it.
That always felt weird, you know.
Oh, we needed it.
Yeah.
You guys are gonna all use all this?
Quarter? Even a giant flathead catfish, really eat them when they get to this
It's good,
size.
because like I say, there's no young ones, is there?
Throw Jamie in there. No.
Never over the water.
There'll be one at the next. Oh man. Anyway.